Hey everyone! In last class we covered how to use internal CSS and CSS class. In this class we will cover how to create multiple pages and link with menu. Now first we will create menu links in index, so we will write after the logo. Another div open and close. Now inside the div we will first write the page links. On first number we will keep home and the second number about us. On third number services. On fourth number gallery. Fifth number contact us. So here is our menu. Now we will give links to these menu links. So for the link we use a tag. A means anchor. Before home just open the a tag, then space and write href equal to index.html. Code close, tag close, and now we will end a after home. Same way we will assign anchor to all menu links. Now let's check how it's work. You can see a very ugly menu, so we will apply makeup to it, I mean CSS. So in the head I will create a class .myMenu. Inside the menu I will write to remove this underlined text dash decoration :none. And color black. And font dash size 16px. And letter spacing 1px. Now we will assign this class to the menu div. You can see so we will target anchor in CSS. You just need to add space A after CSS class name, and now all the style will focus all the anchors. So we will add here margin left equal 10px. Now check, you can see space between the anchors. Now on mouse over I want to change the color of the link, so I will create same name class including A. which is for anchor, and after A I will add colon hover, which means when mouse over the link. So I will change color here, color colon red. Now we will check. You can see color changed. We will create pages now. We already have home. We will create about us, services, gallery, contact us without space. Now we will link these pages to the menu. So we will write these name in href. These are on the same location, so no need any folder name. Just write the file name .html. Now copy the home page code and paste in about us. So we can recognize this is about us. We will copy same way in all pages. Now save and check. All pages are linked and menus is working. So I hope you liked today's class. In next class we will use more CSS and we will work on other pages. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.